Okay, so we have to actually move this pivot point. That's easy enough. There's two ways to do it. I can hit the insert key and I can move my pivot over. I want to make sure it's pretty close to this wall. I'll even go into this viewport right here, zoom way in and make sure that it lines perfectly. Oh, and as you can see, the top box and the bottom box are not lined up. Let's fix that real quick. We'll get out of the insert mode here. All I have to do is go to the channel box editor, click between them, and you see this is at 0, this is at -2, so we'll just hit 0 there. And it popped it over here, so what does that mean? It means we need to reset this. I right click and go freeze, rotate, freeze, translate, and then I can move this over again to be perfectly in line. I'll right click, freeze, translate. Okay, awesome. So where were we? We were manipulating the pivot point here. So if I go to insert, move that pivot point over just like that. Gonna get it perfect, hopefully. And now hit insert again. Now when I rotate, it rotates from right there in the center. I actually want it to be down at the bottom, so I'll hit insert again, move it all the way down to the bottom, and then I'll rotate right there. Hit insert, and now my lid performs as you would expect. Okay, except for, let's go back to this viewport. You saw, or maybe you didn't see, that those little points in there were not moving with it. Where are they? Let's go to shading and go to wireframe mode. I have these objects right here I need to move forward, and then I need to parent them to the chest top by middle mouse dragging them there. And we'll go back to shading, smooth shade all. Okay, so a lot of little things we had to do to make this work. I know it seems confusing, and I know it probably seems like it's a little overkill, but we're learning to model, and you're learning like a professional would. So props to you if you've made it this far. We'll keep going, finish up some more detail work, and then we'll add our final textures, and we'll have ourselves a chest, and you guys will have quite a bit of knowledge about Maya. I'll see you in the next lesson.